No, you're M6, okay? M6. M6! Speak! Okay, M6!
Okay, I just want to thank Carolina Hernandez for being so adamantly pushing. She was, because I refused to even look at this because I have so many gadgets at home. I have the body vibration machine, which was, I bought at Costco for $2,600. But my husband was the one who used the machine, and he had bone knees on both, bone, and he refuses to stop playing tennis despite the pain. But after about 2 weeks, he noticed that when he went down the stairs, he was able to step down forward instead of backwards, which he did for so many years, because it limited the pressure when he did that. So he also noticed that he wasn't cracking. The bottom line was that the cartilage grew back. And in 1995, he was diagnosed with sleep apnea. He would rock the walls when he snored. But after a few months, actually I just noticed after we went to the Philippines in February that he wasn't snoring anymore. At all. So that was a big, because he refused to use the CPAP machine. He couldn't stand the CPAP machine. So for many years I was worried about him dying in his sleep. So I always very